all vegan. Vegan sausage, bacon. And it smells good. Just egg. That's what we be eating. That's what we be on. You know? We still here. We do our thing. But yeah, so y'all can see that. The just egg be jumping. Mama got the grits over there. We would have breakfast in the mid-afternoon. You hear me? Yo, listen, people. There's so many people out there today that claim that being vegan is hard to do. And it is if you thinking like that. It is if you thinking like that. Hey, me and the wife, we still eat fish, though. You know what I mean? So we, we pescatarian. What's it? Pescatarian. Okay, all right. I mean, because they got all kinds of words for it, man. So all your conscious eaters out there, I'm telling you, I mean, some things you have to dig through because some of these things are salty and some of them are not. It depends on how much you're eating, you know? Like this breakfast right here, we got an egg. Sausage looking lovely too. Steam off of that joint. Bacon, banging. I don't know, I just can't go back to eating meat. I can't go back.
You don't need to.
Yeah, I'm not. Like, how long it's been for you, babe?
Since 2008.
2008? So that's damn near, 8 is 22, is that 12? Is my math right? About 12 years? Yeah. It's been like almost 7.5 years for me. Since I haven't had, chicken, turkey, or hamburger. It's been that long. And honestly, it's like I woke up one day and I just didn't want it no more. I didn't want that. So like saying, for those who want to try this way, you just gotta think of all the things that you can eat and stop thinking about what you can't eat. Hey, I'm going to. She got the grits over there. It's great to be on, just to let y'all know. I'm ready to get fat.
Yes, grits are not for weight loss.
Grits is not for weight loss.
They are to stick to you.
But they not bad. I mean, they're not bad though. It's like it's not a bad food,
No,
you know.
It's not, but it's not for weight loss. So I'm just
Right.
I'm just
For
putting
those
that out there for those that's like, oh my God, they eat grits. It ain't about we ain't trying to lose weight. We just trying to stay healthy.
keep that conscious,
Yeah.
Now, also, people, look. Let me say this. But that right there, that's what I use for my sweetener. I don't use sugar anymore. No sugar. You know what I'm saying? I don't use sugar. And you got to be easy with the honey, too. You got to use it consciously, should I say. And agave, maple syrup.
Coconut nectar.
Okay.
All those are good.
The wife likes her. Right. I only brought that to the forefront because I like my grits sweet. I like my cream of wheat sweet. I like things sweet. Like my wife, she likes hers with the pepper and seasoning. Yeah. That smells good too. It smells just like sausages. Just like you were saying earlier, babe. Like, it's about the seasoning.
Yeah.
It's all about the seasoning. And some people, you can make this stuff, you can make your sausages just taste like chicken. What you ready to throw? Oh, the eggs. Oh, my God. Ooh, don't want to get a shot of that, baby. I ain't putting that. Oh, I got a low battery issue.
Typical recorder.
The typical recorder. Uh-oh, what she got here? She got right here. Oh, some mushrooms. What kind of those?
White, whole.
Okay.
Whole white.
Hey, we like mushrooms in our eggs. You know, I'm accustomed to all of this now. I'm so used to this now. Like, I know what she's making. I know. My body is like, she's getting it ready. But yeah, people, man, I wasn't a big mushroom fan until I actually jumped over into
my world.
Into yes, Presbyterian world. But it was just basically part of the vegan.
Well, we was vegan for a while, and then we ended up pescatarian. We wasn't eating seafood for like 2 to 3 years.
But I just cooked them shrimps. Oh my God!
It was the fish.
The fish, yeah. Well, we definitely deal with that salmon, y'all, and I know some of y'all out there. Let me. Oh, she is putting it on. That bacon is good.
That's why he ain't allowed in the kitchen.
But as you see, she put the green peppers, red peppers, onions and mushrooms. Oh my God!
Right in there with the sausage.
Yes, sausage juices. Let me give her some room. I love this, y'all. Y'all crazy. Talking about it ain't nothing out there to eat when you be. You crazy. Now, like I said, she got them nice and heated up, you know, for the omelette. But it ain't gonna be. They gonna be scrambled and they be banging, y'all. So, if you want a quick, good breakfast, man, vegan wise, you got your mushrooms, your green peppers, your onions, your red peppers, and then you pour that just egg right on there. Usually keep that frozen, right? Or is that because we be having a lot?
No, I keep them frozen, but I make sure there's one left in the refrigerator.
Okay.
So they don't go bad.
So what's that you throwing down on that right there? A little bit of nutrition yeast. Okay. A little bit of this. A little bit of garlic. I love garlic.
Yeah, we love the garlic.
A little bit of garlic in them eggs, boy.
And no, this is not part of Dr. Zadie's nutritional list.
Yeah, we do.
We're aware of that.
We definitely.
But we give love and respect to Dr. Zadie for showing us the way.
Yeah. Yes. I'm telling y'all talk like it ain't nothing to eat out here. Yeah. Only thing I hate about this is we gotta wash the dishes after this. That's the only thing.
We don't have to. We got a dishwasher.
Oh, we got the dishwasher. That's right.
I'm old school, so
it's all good.
it's all in the pan we use.
As y'all see, the eggs is on the cook now. And they cooking. What were you saying? They say the eggs stick to the pan. With a certain kind of pan you're using. You know what I like about just eggs? Ain't no bird in the middle of them.
Yeah, don't got that smell.
Don't got that yolky yolk, and you know. Sticks a little bit, but don't all eggs stick to the pan? It depends on what kind of pan you got.
Nah, but if you, I didn't really put butter in here, just
Right.
a little bit, and
Right.
then it was from the grease from the sausage. But most pans, a lot of people when first just eggs first came out, they was talking about how when you cook it, you ain't getting the egg. You know, you're not getting the whole bottle. Like half of it sticking to the pan.
Okay.
But as you see, we getting all our egg. And also, the pan makes a difference. The pan comes from Amway.
Right.
And it allows you to cook food and keep the seasoning in it, the moisture, as you can see, the flavor. Look at them fluffy eggs.
They crazy, ain't they, baby? They crazy. Y'all, listen, y'all. You got to try. If you're not eating vegan, try it. It takes time. You know, Presbyterian or whatever we call it. You know, I love my fish. I just can't give it up. So, plus salmon is great for you. I love it. Put some more butter in there. Grits with honey. And you get any raw, I like raw honey. And it goes together. I might have overdid it right there, but it's okay. You said that's saying David. That butter is just right on that joint. I'm gonna be full. Excuse me. That pepper is peppering. She got it. You put some sneezing joints on there? Yeah, peace.